In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Carnival e-gift cards online. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in carnival.ourgiftcards.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Carnival. From here, you'll be able to choose your card type. You'll be able to choose the card type over here. You'll be able to find the options like gift cards, e-gift cards, corporate, order. So if you want to buy the e-gift card, what you have to do is click on this option, send an e-gift card. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to customize your gift card over here. You'll be able to find various options. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now if you want to give it as a gift, simply click on this option, give as a gift. If you want to buy for yourself, click on this option, buy for myself. Once you do that, what you have to do is simply enter the card value. Click on the field of card value and enter the card value over here. Likewise, you'll have to enter your name. Click on the field of your name. Now enter the name over here. After you do that, also select the quantity. You'll be able to see the question, how many would you like? Simply click on this field and enter the quantity. Now click on this option, add to cart. Now after you do that, this particular e-gift card will be added to the cart. Now you'll be able to view the cart over here. Simply click on this option, proceed to check out. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the checkout interface. You'll be able to see the order summary over here. You'll be able to see the product, quantity and amount. Also, you'll be able to see the order total. You'll be able to see amount due over here. Simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is enter your billing information. Enter the name on card. Now click on the field of card number and enter the card number. Make sure to provide the correct card number. Now enter the expiry date. First of all, click on the field of month. Now select the month over here. Now also select the year. After you do that, what you have to do is enter your CVV. Now scroll down. Now enter your address. Click on the field of street address and provide the street address over here. You can also enter the apartment or floor, etc. if you want. Now enter the city. Also enter the state, click on the field of state and select the state. Now enter the zip code over here. After you do that, provide your mobile phone number. Now also provide your email. Now check on this box, I have read and accept the terms and conditions. Now after you do that, click on this option, check out now, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply confirm and complete the transaction. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive your e-gift card via your email. So like this, you'll be able to buy the e-gift cards on Carnival. So that is how you buy Carnival e-gift cards. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.